Hello friends, and today I will be doing another Python tutorial, and this one will not be from Python Turtle. It will be of a normal Python. So get your idle out if you're on a Windows. As you can see, Python shell, and you can make that full screen. You want to open a new file, but I have already made a file, so I will be opening that. And in today's tutorial, we will be making a game, a small game that is, that like you enter an input and it will just give you the numbers that are less than 10. As you can see, it says list less than 10. That means you give it a list, Python a list, and he will give you the numbers that are less than 10 in that list. So first we'll do try. That just like cuts the errors. So I will just type in print hello. Hello. Welcome to my put quotes list less than, or maybe just less than 10 if you want less than 10, and that, and there we okay, Z, there we go. Then get the definition now. Okay, print, and over here you will be giving what to do in this game. So in this game, you have to enter a comma separated list, comma, and I'll do that. And if I do this, 1, 2, 3, there we go. If you put like 3 quotation marks, you can type in multi-line and get that over there so it looks good. And I will give you back the numbers that are less than 10. So put 3, and if I run that, oh, that's probably because I didn't end that. So the end of try would be except, and put a C. It should turn orange like that. And just follow along with me. I will explain this. Print wait, there was a error in the list that you gave me. And just put 3 over here too. And get a tab ahead. You might have entered a letter or the commas might be messed up. You just give that suggestion that might have happened. Don't forget to put 3 there. So imagine I just said put something like that there, and if I ran it, it would say, well, hello, welcome to less than 10. There was an error in the code that you gave me. So as you can see, it did not run this. It did not give me a red error saying type error PRDFINT is not defined. So try does that, and it's like, okay, there's an error in the code. I won't give you an error. I will go to accept, and this is used in like games. So if you're like messing up in the input, accept take care of that, and it's like there was an error in the list that you gave me. You might have entered a letter, or the commas might be messed up. That was there because I wouldn't make a typing error, and it's probably the user that gave the wrong thing. So if I put /n, that's like an escape character. So if I run that, it'll give me a line in the between. So that's that. It would just give you a line in between. There's also a /t that it will just tab it up. So if I put /t and run it, it won't actually print that. It would just tab it. See, it tabbed this part. Though these are called escape characters, Python doesn't actually print them. It just uses them as if it's just telling you to go to the next line or tab that many spaces. So in this, it would tab like 4 spaces. I'm pretty sure, because a normal tab is 4 spaces. If you're using some kind of other text editor, it might tab a different number of spaces. So yeah. Now to get to the game. So I'm gonna put a bunch of them there. It's easier. And I'm just gonna get rid of them. Not any. So first, to find the list, R is equal to eval, which just means evaluate, and input. So the user can enter. We give it the prompt, give me a list. And put a colon, and then you can just put a new line character. I'm gonna put that a lot. And then you can just put in f is equal to, and you just give a blank list over there. Put a space in the middle. Just give a blank list. So that will do that. You just give a blank list. And then the next would be len underscore list. That's a variable, is equal to len, and you put the parentheses and put the R inside of them. So all this variable does is, suppose I gave it 15 of 15 numbers. So for the next part, the for loop, it will run, the if loop and the for loop, so we don't get mixed up. It will run, and so it won't say like the list is out of range. So this is kind of a very key code in that. And the next is this for ER in range. ER is just like a random variable I put there. And over here, len list is extremely important because you don't give a number. It's a dynamic value, because this keeps on changing. I might give it, if I run it like 5 times, once I might give it like 2, or next time I might give it 16, next time the third time I might give it 1,000, which I probably won't because it would take me like an hour to type it. And so it, like, as you see, it varies. So I can't keep changing the number here because I don't know what the user gonna put in. Therefore, I just put that in, so it would look at the length, and that would be equal to this. So this is dynamic, so it can constantly change. So that's that. Then we're gonna do if r in square brackets r is just this, and square bracket, it's like, so you can go through the list and compare it. Is less than 10. This is the comparative boolean, not boolean value. F the append. So this empty list, so the whole point is, if this condition is true, take that number and append it into the F list. So that's why we gave it an empty list, so we can put the numbers that are less than 10 in that. So F dot append, and then you put R square brackets ER, and then the last part is the print statement. There we go. Print. We need to print out the list that has the numbers that are less than 10. So it's print F. And then if I were to run it, there we go. See, as you can see, welcome to less than 10. In this game, you will have to enter a comma separated list, and then that. And if I gave it a list, okay, why is that there? Okay, never mind. I'll run this again. Yes, because I don't know why that happened. And take that out so it won't show up there. There we go. And let's just say 4, 5, that. You can just put in any numbers you want. And the error, the except will show up now because there are 2 commas. So that's an error. I'm just going to put in 4 there. And then I'll put in 3, 1, 456, 67, 2, 1, and -4, minus whatever that number is. And then there we go. That should be good. And as you can see, it is increasing, and that is not supposed to be there. So there is gonna be an error, I'm pretty sure. So time to find out what that error is. And I will come back to you by pausing the video after I figure out what the error is. So I am back and I figured out the error. The print, and this is a new statement, just so you know that's new. You can type that in, and you're supposed to remove this from the for loop and the if loop. The if statement, because if it was in there, it would start coming one by one. So that was the problem. So if I run this, hopefully it should not give me any weird things. I'm just gonna type in negative a giant number, then that. Put a lot of single numbers in now. Okay, and I'm gonna run it, and as you can see, let me get my video panel out of the way. You can see that it is working, and it is not coming like a giant mountain. So these are the numbers that are less than 10. And if you want for more neat indentation, you can do that. So that would just be a bit better if I just gonna put in a lot of numbers, run it, and this would give you a space, and these are the numbers. So this is the list less than 10, or the less than 10 game that I've created. So, and these are the new customization, the try and accept. They just check for errors, and I'll just show you the accept part in the input. So imagine I just put in something like that. Okay, maybe not. Maybe I just put my name is Bob. See? As you can see, you might have entered a letter or the commas might be messed up. And I indeed have entered lots of letters, aka my name is Bob. But my name is not Bob though. My name's Otis, if you didn't know. And that is the game. So thanks for watching. Please like this video, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for my next video on Python tutorials. Bye!